Okay, if you have you found items, for example, like burger. Let's see, got burger. This one is only one. Okay, cannot use as an example. Wait, okay. So you look at these samples, it has so many circles differentiate right here. Okay, if this condition, okay, you need to select all of them. Okay, select all of them. Okay, and then you goes to object, click join, or you control Z to join them. So click this join. Today my PC very lag. Okay, so now you join them to one. Okay, then we rename it as sort like that. Then you do again for all your LD decimate. Okay, so now you join them already become one. Okay, so this one we don't want the alignment, so we just take it out, because if you have so many alignment in Unity, it will consider as one object already. So you just delete it, the adjustment, and this folder should also delete. Okay, delete. Okay, so until the sort only lah. Okay, so you can put inside the collection, so like this. Okay, so do again for your, okay, do again, repeat now. So you copy, Control C, Control V. Hình lag. Okay, same thing. Okay, you make this one. Okay, select all, go to the edit mode. Okay, go select all. Okay, you can either using this one, the modifier, or you can using the modifier here. Okay, goes to generate and decimate here. You can see you have a ratio, how many ratio that you want to decimate. So is you can type the 0.5 50%. Okay, and then you just press the enter button. Okay, remember to click apply. This one we don't want. Okay, 0.5, and you can go to object mode. Okay, click apply. So now you're reducing already, the decimate. Okay, can see the difference. This one, okay, and then this one, so we're reducing already. So you can see the vertices is 9,000, and this one is around 64,000. Okay, so very big difference. So continue lah. This one rename it. Rename it as a dash LOD 0. Okay, this one rename it as sort, must be the same name, LOD 1. Continue, continue. Control C. Okay, this one you make it as a LOD 2. Okay, and goes to this one. Okay, add modifier. Okay, select this only, select this item only. Okay, generate, decimate. So this one is around 0.1, enter, and then you click apply. So now you're reducing like this. So you can see the vertices are reduced already. Okay, copy the last one. You have 3 also okay. Only 3 also can. So, and then same thing, we export. Okay, we export to FBX, and then we call it as a sort. Okay, for example, export. Okay, so same thing, you have this one, just drag and drop. to your item. Okay, now you can put it here, make it bigger size, maybe 200, 20. Okay, so open the same thing, it will be automatically come out LOD group as well. Okay, so if you didn't do the format, you want to do one by one, so you need to drag one by one. You drag this one, you need to drag yourself. If you use blenders to organize them, so it will be automatically detected. If not automatically detected, you need to put it inside yourself. Okay, you put it inside yourself. That's why it's very annoying and take time lah. So we just use the automatically. Okay, so put all the difference so you can see lah. Okay, see the changes. Same thing. Okay, if too big, so you need to go very far. So now you can see, okay, when you go very far, so it will become the green colors. Okay, blue. Okay, the blue will be the last one. This one for this. So it's very easy only.